Sujay Chaudhary. I am from OCS Kolkata. In my last video, we discussed about the study option in Australia for engineering students. Today, I am going to discuss about the study option in Canada for the students who want to pursue engineering in Canada. Now, you can ask me why Canada? There are a lot of options why Canada is one of the top destinations for the students who want to pursue higher studies. Few reasons are the tuition fees are really very affordable, the quality of education is really very good in Canada, and also student can do some part-time work during their education tenure, and after completion of the course, student can do post-study work permit and later on they can apply for the PR. So let's discuss more in details. Let's discuss about the study options in Canada. In order to apply visa to Canada, there are two ways you can apply your visa. One is SDS visa, another one is non-SDS visa. In order to apply for SDS visa, you need to show proof of payment of 10,200 Canadian dollar as GIC, and also you need to pay 1 year upfront tuition fees before applying the visa, and also you should have 6 in each band in IELTS with no band less than 6. And if you are applying for non-SDS visa, then the IELTS can be reduced, like 1 or 2 band 5.5 is accepted. But if you want to know further about this GIC and about the SDS visa, non-SDS visa, please visit to our office or you can join our webinars for further details, or else you can call us as well. So and regarding this IELTS training, we are having our IELTS training center. You can come to our office for your IELTS training. Also, we are doing online IELTS training. Now, in last video, we discussed about the engineering study options in Australia. In this video, I am going to discuss with you about the study option in Canada, especially for undergraduate students for engineering. There are lots of engineering opportunities available in Canada. You can study computer engineering, civil engineering, environmental engineering, mechanical engineering, heavy mechanical engineering, chemical engineering, electrical engineering, instrumentation engineering, chemical and environmental engineering, mechatronics and robotics engineering, automotive service technology, water engineering technology, power engineering, geomatics engineering technology, mining engineering, and lots of other engineering as well. So you name the engineering course, it's available in Canada. And there are few provinces in Canada where there are lots of good quality universities are available, and you can study either direct bachelor degree or you can study diploma as well. So like in British Columbia, one province is British Columbia, where you can study these engineering courses, and the tuition fees in British Columbia is approximately 16,000 Canadian dollar to 21,000 Canadian dollar every year. In Alberta, the tuition fees are around 17,000 to 26,000 Canadian dollar. In Saskatchewan, the tuition fees approximately 20,000 Canadian dollar to 23,000 Canadian dollar. And in Manitoba, the tuition fees is almost around 21,000 Canadian dollar. In Ontario, you need to spend around 17,000 Canadian dollar to 30,000 Canadian dollar depending upon which university you are choosing and which stream you are choosing. And in Nova Scotia, the tuition fees is around 10,000 Canadian dollar to 18,000 Canadian dollar per year. So the tuition fees is approximately, it may be a little bit more or it may be a little bit less. And the biggest advantage of studying in Canada is that even if you complete your diploma of 2 years, you can still apply for your post-study work permit. And there are top 7 engineering jobs available in Canada. Let me just tell you the options. Electrical, mechanical, software, biomedical, civil, geotechnical, mining. These are the top jobs available in Canada. And as I mentioned, after diploma student can opt for post-study work permit. Even of course after the degree course, student can opt for post-study work permit in Canada. And this way you can also approach for your PR. So in Canada, after completion of the course, you can expect post-study work permit, later on PR. So I believe this video for Canada will be your helpful, and in the next video we will discuss about the study option in UK. Thank you. Take care.